Hi everyone, Grishma Reddy here, horticulturist from Mystery Garden, Wellscape, Jigni. Today I am in Godrej Nurture Apartment, Electronic City, where we have done a small yet beautiful natural vertical garden for one of our client who lives in an apartment. So which is around 10th floor here. So here in my background you can see this is the natural vertical garden that we have made. The client was very particular that they wanted natural vertical garden only. The space is 2.5 feet wide and it is 5.5 feet height. So based on this measurement only, we have given the frame of just 2 by 5 feet, because at the sides we have provided space for the plants to grow and do some intercultural operation. And anyhow it is open to sunlight. The space is receiving more than 2 to 3 hours of natural sunlight. So we have provided all air purifying and in combination of alternate leaf variations colors plants we have provided, like peperomia we have provided spider plant, rio and money plant we have provided. As the pattern was also and the space was very small, we have planned the pattern in such a way that it will not look so clumsy also, yet it looks beautiful also. For the small space we have also provided automated drip irrigation with high quality pipes as well. So this is the water outlet from where we are getting the water source for the plants. So we have provided a hole from where the water inlet is coming for the plants, and we have provided the horizontal and lateral pipes for each and every pot as well. And one important thing is we have also provided a pot beneath, so that whatever excess water that is coming out of the pots is being collected in this FRP pot, so that whenever the watering is excess, we can just remove the water from these pots which is being collected. And we have also installed the automated drip by using the Bluetooth connection only through the phone. The customer can operate the drip irrigation, which is very easy, and whosoever is looking for low maintenance and which is high automated systematic things, whosoever is looking for drip irrigation, then this is the best option for natural vertical garden. Wherever you sit, you can just operate your natural vertical garden at any of your free time as well. So this is the small project that we have done, and today we have handed over this project. So for more of these landscape projects and fabrication projects, so you can contact us. Our corporate office is located at Jigni Bomsandra Link Road. You can also visit our website mysterygardenwellscape.com. So for more such videos, please subscribe to all our social media platforms. This is Grishma Reddy from Mystery Garden Wellscape. Thank you.